Today, let's look at how you can keep a standard inventory for a retail shop using Google Sheets. So you go to the Google Sheet app, and it will bring you to the environment. If you have previous document like I do, you can select the document you want. I selected sales report because I have several sheets there. I created a new sheet and named it inventory. Then I save that. If the screen is too dark, you can as well change it to a light mode, so you can, for the sake of your site. Now you create the inventory heading, inventory for a retail store or a retail shop. Inventory also means stock, okay? Then you merge several cells together for the heading. You merge several cells together for the heading. Then you give it a heading and bold it, and as well add the fill color where necessary, your choice of fill color. Why adding fill color? Bear it in mind that it has to be a color that the text written can be seen properly. If the text is not bold enough, you have to change the fill color to a lighter color for eyesight. Now I chose green because I can see I chose light green because I can see the title there. Then so we proceed to our template. We have product, we have price units, we have in dollars. Here I use dollars because it's not laptop. If the laptop, it contains the naira sign. We have unit price, we have the quantity at hand, quantity sold, inventory value, available stock, and status. Those are our headlines. Our headings for each column. Then after you must have given each column a title, then you proceed. We have quantity in hand, quantity sold. We also have available inventory value for each, for the total. We have inventory value. Because of the heading, it doesn't cover for all the spaces we have. I have to stretch it further to accommodate more columns heading. So we have inventory value, available stock, and status. That is that. So we move forward to building the product table. We have different products in your store. Keep in mind that this retail inventory for a retail store will help you in your own business to keep record of your own inventory up to date. You know the value, you know when you sold, you know the status, when it's available, or when you need to reorder it or to restock. You either restock or you reorder. Those are available, they are the same. So here we built our inventory list, and we have the products, they're all available. So we want to get the inventory value. You multiply for you to get available stock, inventory value, multiply unit price by the quantity in hand. Then for you to get available stock, you subtract quantity in hand minus quantity sold. Then if you want to get the status of this, you go for the formatting. You go for the if statement. You go for the if statement. Okay, so the if statement is called conditional formatting. Then you have to format and go for the specific text you want to change. In that status, we have to put reorder. That is the value, and you paint it red. When you customize the color to be red, then it will show on the column, the specific column. So for here, if the color is red now, you see that it's red, it has turned to red. Then the reorder is the if the conditional statement state that if the stock available is less than 30, is less than equal to 30, then or you reorder, or it is available. If it's above 30, that means it's available. So here in the conditional formatting, we put the minimum value, the none, and that the none means is already getting to reorder. So that's why we put the text to be read. Okay, so that is that. So you can also build this. We also notice that in the status, both the reorder and available are in red, which is wrong. We have to the reason why it is wrong is that our text color was mistakenly changed to red, so that is everything turned to red. So we have to make the inventory, the available color to be black in order to distinguish which is available or not. So now we are going to look at the first status, which is reorder. If we change the inventory value, the quantity at hand value, if we change the value to automatically change to available because there was an increase in it. So let's try it now. If you want to change the first column, the first row, which is the stock is 30, you kind of increase the quantity in hand. Now I was trying to add 80. If you look at the text column, you will see the conditional statement that you can add. If I added 50, it's going to give us a wrong value in the inventory value, because there is in Excel is not permitted for you to do this kind of math. It doesn't recognize it. It sees it as a text. So we have to put a bigger value, and you see that it will change to available. And you can also change the text also in the custom setting. Okay, that is for the sake of the class. I hope this is helpful to you. All right.